Let's start this TV. I've just bought from Etsy. I'm going to do one in resin and one in filament. So this is the filament one first. I'm going to do it normal size at the moment, but I may send it through as a bigger TV in the future. Let's see how big this big boy is at normal size. Now the only bit can stay at normal, so don't message me. I'm videoing, leave me alone. I can leave the remote at normal size. Oh dear, what's going on here? Oh, that done as one piece. Oh, that's a bugger, isn't it? That kind of stops me from resizing it, making it bigger than I want. Or does it? Oh bugger. These will need some kind of. They won't, they'll be fine. But these will need some kind of support. And if I do that, it's going to create support for the whole. Why do they have to do that in one piece? That's annoying. That stops me from playing around with it. Bugger. I don't know how well that will come out, that remote control on filament. Ooh, might have a bit of problems doing that. See, because for my tower, this might not be big enough. I like a big TV. I don't like a fart little thing. So it just means I'd end up with a massive, huge remote control, which I wouldn't really want. I'd have to print this bit more than once to get the right size I wanted, because they haven't done them separately, which is a flipping pain in the bum. I might message them actually. Why did you do them separately so I could resize them? Anyway. Where am I going? I'm going to add chat. Do I need support? The rest wouldn't need support, but these might. I was going to do it as two separate ones. They might not need support. Travel, cooling, support. Skirt. I don't know about a skirt. We'll give it a brim. See what happens now if I give it a brim. 2 hours. Too bad. I'm not doing work tomorrow, so. And a brim will make those bits stick up a bit longer. Methinks. I might make them small actually. Oh, where do I go to make them smaller? I've forgotten now. Walls. Wall thickness. Infill, that's it. So let's make that 30. I don't want my TV to be flimsy. Oh, here she comes again. She's going to message me again, isn't she? Here it comes. Oh, bugger, I messed it up now. Let's go 30 on that one. Why is it... I don't know 3, I want 30. Instagram's going bonkers. That's a bit thinner in it. Or do I go full? I got enough plastic. Do I go 50? Do I go mental and go 50 or maybe 4? Not again. 4, don't know. Now why has it done it that way for? Four? No. No. Right. Slice. So the infill's a lot more. Making it stronger. Probably a bit daft actually, but I wouldn't mind. Grid lines, triangle, cubics, zigzag, cubic. Let's try zigzag. Probably cubic is the strongest. Whoa, that's a bit. Oh my goodness. That's going to be so flipping strong. Zigzag, that's going to send my machine bonkers doing that a lot. Right, just going to get my or just save the disk actually, and then I'll stick it on the memory stick after. Why does it keep calling it a dollhouse TV? I don't like that name. Dollhouse. I want miniature TV, if anything. I don't want 4 either. Okay, I'll leave it as that, and then I'll save it to the memory card, and then we shall send it to the printer. This will be for the filament one. So I've got to do the resin one. Right, off I go.